He's not ready to get up either. He's got a hangover from sleep or staying up till like 11 o'clock at night.
If you kept that music on, I still would have been asleep.
He's like, this is a new place. I don't normally wake up in a place like this. Bless you. So you're entirely too happy.
Hi, Benji. Hi.
Ready to eat?
You hungry?
Yeah. Food. Good stuff. Yeah. Okay. Ready.
Here, stand. Can you stand up? Stand up. There he is. Okay, say hi, Da.
Mornings. You had an epic sleep cycle there.